Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 ways you can use to make money with other people's content online. So if you're interested in making money online, you don't want to create your own content, you don't want to create your own product, you just want to leverage on people's idea, I'll be showing you how you can make money online with other people's content. In your mind, you may be asking, using other people's content, is it legit? Is it legal? Is it really proper? Yes, the models I'll be sharing with you, they are legit. It is not illegal. You will not be penalized by any legal system. These business model ideas of using other people's content and products online to make money, they are all legit. And many people do not know them. I'll be explaining these models to you. And at the end of the training, you are going to make up your mind on the model you want to use and learn more about it and start maximizing it to make money online. So let's dive into it. The first method is content repurposing. One of the ways you can use other people's content to make money online is content repurposing. Content repurposing, this is the form of turning public content into PDF or videos. You edit to add your own voice into the content. If you are using the same content verbatim, then give credit to the originator. You can find content to repurpose on social media sites, pages, groups, and forums. So content repurposing is simply turning other people's content in public spaces to a unique content. And one of the ways you can turn it into a unique content is by adding your own voice. Instead of copying it verbatim, every one of us here have a voice. We all have a voice, and our voice resonates in our writing. When you see a content that is really great and you want to copy it, you want to use it exactly, as long as it's in a public domain. Now, you must understand that every public domain content is liable for reuse. You can use it, but the only thing is that you should not use it verbatim. For example, when you check news content, the same news content, 2 different news media, they are reporting the same news, but their title is different, meaning the same thing. But when you read through, it's still the same thing that they are saying, but they have repurposed it. They did not copy the other word by word, verbatim. They used their own pattern of writing, their own pattern of English, their choice of word to communicate it. So if you are using people's content verbatim online, then give them credit. Any content that is on social media, pages, groups, forums, on public domains, you can reuse it for your own benefit by repurposing it. And if you want to use it exactly, then give them credit. Now, a video content that is so educative, you can listen to it, translate it into a text content, and in translating it, you use your English, you use your choice of word, your voice resonates into it. It's still meaning the same thing, but you have repurposed it. Now, it can be a written content, you turn it into a video too, you have repurposed it. So content repurposing is all about changing content from its original form to another form, meaning the same thing. So there are so many influencers, so many thought leaders that dish out content in business, in leadership, in media, in different areas, and you can look for such thought leaders in those areas and start leveraging on their content, and from there you grow. But then do not always stay on this method. This method should help you to start growing, shaping your mind, and creating your own content. So you can use this method to actually get contents and they sound original, and you make use of it, and you can make money with this content by selling it. Another way you can use other people's content online is you learn and you recreate. Buy courses, understand, learn, get your own result, and teach from your knowledge and experience. The coach that is teaching you learned from someone else. All right. So there is nothing wrong in learning from someone and teaching others what you have learned. Use other people's knowledge by learning from them. Pay for their courses, buy their books, learn, implement, get results, and teach people what you have learned. All right. This is another form of using other people's content online to make money. So let's look at another form. This is resell right. This is simply getting permission from the owner to sell his content as your own without changing the context, and you keep 100% profit. There are different kinds of resell rights, and the most common types of resell rights are private label rights, PLR, resale right RRR and master resale rights. Private label rights PLR allow the buyer to modify the product and claim it as their own. Resale rights RR allows the buyer to resell the product, but they don't modify it. Now, master resale right MRR allows the buyer to resell the product and pass on the same right to other customers that want to resell. All right, so I hope you can spot the difference. Now, we also have what we call white label products. White label products are pre-built software solutions developed by third parties. These providers allow companies that can customize and rebrand for selling under their own name. So this has to do with softwares whereby you get a software, you are not the programmer, you are not the original owner, but you have the right to rebrand the software and sell it as your own. So you can get resale rights from people, okay? People who have content, get resale rights from them and pay for the resale right. Resale right is always a one-time fee. Come to terms with the resale rights, get the content, sell it as your own. It becomes your own property. You can rebrand it, you can use it exactly, and you keep 100% profit. So instead of taking your time to create products or services, you can get a resale right. Now, this applies to physical products too. There are so many companies out there that produce the same product for different individuals, different franchises. Now, these individuals rebrand these products with their own name and sell to the customer or to the market and compete healthily. So it does not just apply to digital products, it applies to both physical products. So you can think of getting a resale right or a franchise. Once you pay that one-time fee, everything that you get out of it becomes your own. There are so many individuals and companies that operate using this method. Another method you can use to make money with other people's content online is affiliate. This is simply selling other people's content or products and getting a commission when anyone buys through you. So affiliate marketing is an old form of making money from other people's content or product. The same way you can see your friend wearing a shoe and you like the shoe, you say, where did you buy this shoe? And he directs you to where he bought the shoe and he goes there to buy the shoe. You have done affiliate marketing, but the only thing is that you did not get a commission for referring your friend from the owner of the shop or from the producer of the shoe. But in this case, there's an agreement between you and the person that as long as you refer people to him for his or her product or content or material, you get a commission. It can be 50%, 30%, it can be 70%, it can be 100% as well, depending on the agreement terms. So affiliate marketing works both for physical products, digital products, health products, any kind of product that you want. And you can operate this online. It also operates both offline and online. So if you are thinking of using or leveraging other people's contents, materials, products, instead of creating your own, then try affiliate marketing. And it's really a profitable line of business. The fourth one is drop shipping. Now, drop shipping, this has to do with physical products where people buy a product from you at a certain amount. You take your profit immediately. The owner delivers the product to them and handles every necessary expenses. Now, dropshipping is quite different from affiliate marketing. Dropshipping works mostly with physical products. Now, look at how this thing works. You want to sell a shoe, all right? You go to the main owner of the shoe, and the owner of the shoe sells the shoe for $5. You decide to sell the shoe for $15. Now, you have not bought the shoe from the person. You have not bought it at $5 yet. And when you buy at $5, the same person you bought at $5 will deliver it to you and cover the expenses. So in this case, I take the product, the picture of this shoe, I advertise it, and people interested in this shoe will pay $15 for the shoe. Immediately they pay $15 for the shoe, $5 goes to the original seller who does not have the audience to sell or may have his or her own audience to sell, but you are drop shipping. So immediately the $5 goes to him. Already the person buying from you must have dropped his or her details and is expecting that he will have delivery of whatever he or she has purchased. Now, immediately he makes the $15 payment. I take my $10. $5 goes to the person who already is the main seller and will deliver the product to the address given to me by the person that bought from me. So the difference between dropshipping and affiliate marketing in the simplest term is that affiliate marketing, you share commission, but in dropshipping, you take your profit, you quote your own amount, the amount you want to sell that particular product. People pay. Behind that amount, there is an initial amount from the seller who has this product in stock. Immediately the person pay you, you take your profit. The seller takes his or her own cost and delivers the product to the customer. So you are standing as a middleman as well. In affiliate marketing, you are standing as a middleman, intermediate between the product owner and the buyer. But in this case, you give your own price, and in giving your own price, as they pay in your own terms, you take your profit, and the owner of the product or the vendor gets his own amount and delivers the desired product. So these are 5 ways you can use to make money with other people's product and content online. And these business models work both online and offline. So if you are considering using other people's content, products to make money, or you are thinking whether it is actually legit, yes, such business idea is legit. So you can consider any of these 5 methods I have explained to you and learn more about them, and then start it up immediately. I'll be dropping the links to where you can get a detailed training or course on these business models I have just explained. Thank you, and I hope you got value from this training.